for us, because we're looking at the files ahead of time, what we're seeing is we're taking the customer's files into our proprietary software. The things that we're actually looking for and finding are in the customer's bill of materials, they're calling out one particular part, and then in their description, they're calling out another different part. So we're actually comparing those two. For example, resistors and capacitors, customers may put a 1 microfarad part on there, and then in their description, they're calling out a 10 microfarad part. So at that point, we're writing a hold for the customer saying, you're telling me 2 different parts for this line, which one do you actually want to place on your board? Or if they're calling out, because components have the same type of functionality but different packages, and so a customer may call out a 8-lead gold wing type part, and it comes in a narrow and wide version. So their part may be a narrow version, but they designed the footprint for the wide version. So we're putting package models on the customer's footprint, and if it doesn't fit, that's going to be another flag for the customer. We're also looking for polarities issues. So if the customer's not putting their pin 1s, their plus N on the capacitors, or cathodes on their diodes, then we don't know how to orient those parts. And we're going to put those as polarity questions to the customer as well. And we're going to get their feedback on how to proceed.